So this was how I was able to get back my Facebook monetization. Okay, now Facebook demonetized my page few weeks ago, and I'm going to be sharing with you in this video what I did, okay, to recover it back, to get back my monetization. All right, so if you know anyone who is currently having this issue, whose page was demonetized or recommendation was suspended, please ensure you tag the person to the video, and you as well ensure you watch this video to the end, because who knows, you might need it one day. The truth is this: if you're a creator of Facebook, you can never be too careful. This is a page with over 200,000 followers, and the shocking part is that I am actually a Facebook coach. Yes, for them to demonetize my page, this shows you that there is no one page that they cannot demonetize. Even if you're a pastor, in fact, whatever that you are, Facebook don't care. As long as any of your posts or anything at all goes against their community standard guideline, they are definitely going to do what? Demonetize your page immediately. I am going to be sharing with you those 3 things that I did, all right, to get my monetization back. Don't miss any part of this video, because at the end of this video you'll be able to learn how to resolve any issue at all on Facebook. But before I continue, I'm going to be sharing with you some punishment that Facebook gives to any creator who violates their rules. Number 1 punishment is this: they will demonetize your page or your profile. Yes, if any of your video goes against Facebook community standard guidelines, they will immediately do what? Demonetize your page. Yes, and when they demonetize your page, it means that your pay, they will no longer pay you. All your earnings will be on hold. That is number 1 punishment. Then number 2 punishment is that they will restrict your recommendation. They will no longer recommend your video. They will not be circulating your video. Then the third one is this: in some cases, it depends on your offense, they can even disable your account. They will disable your profile or your page. You will no longer see them again on Facebook. If you're a creator of Facebook, you just need to be careful. Please ensure you watch this video to the end, because at the end of this video you will learn how to be very, very careful on Facebook. And if you are facing any of this challenge that I just listed, at the end of this video you also learn how to resolve any issue you are having on Facebook. Now I am going to be sharing with you what I did that made these people to do what? To demonetize my page. Okay, before I tell you what I did to get it back. Now, I've said this in one of my previous videos, but I'm going to tell you again in case you're coming across this channel for the first time. Yes, what I did, I actually did an advertisement for someone. It was a paid advert. I did a paid advert, and immediately I placed that advert on my page. Facebook immediately did what? Brought down my monetization. Yes, that was how I received this message from Facebook. Hi, welcome back. If you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Uche, and in this channel I teach content creators how to grow and monetize their pages and channel very fast and in the right way. That is the organic way. Okay, so if this sounds like something you are interested in, get out and do what? And hit the subscribe button. Okay, give this video a thumbs up, and also turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post you will be notified. All right, so without wasting much time, now let me tell you how I was able to recover my Facebook monetization. Yes, the things that I did. Okay, so I'm going to be listing them one after the other. Now the first thing that I did immediately I received a message from Facebook, okay, was to go ahead and delete that video that caused this violation. Yes, that was the first thing I did. I immediately looked for that video and deleted it. And I also went to my support inbox. Though I already know in my support inbox there is nothing else, but in your own case, please ensure you go to your support inbox to check if there are other violators, because I already know the rules, you understand? So I know that there is no other way I've offended Facebook other than that very post that I made, which was that advert. Do you understand? So immediately immediately I got that message. I've not even opened it. When I just got that message that, okay, your page has been demonetized. In fact, I just went ahead immediately and deleted that video, because I know it's that video that will be the cause. And lo and behold, when I actually opened the message to read to the end, it was actually that advert that caused it. Do you understand? Because I already know. I'll be careful on Facebook as a coach. In fact, I make sure that I abide. So the truth is that you can never be careful enough. Do you understand? So that was the first thing I did. I immediately deleted the video. So in your own case, if you ever receive message from Facebook saying that your recommendation has been suspended, your monetization has been suspended, please look for the causes. Look for the videos that cause that thing and delete all the videos first, because that is the first step and the right step to take. Do you understand? Then number 2 things to do again: go on that review, on that notification they gave to you, and click on disagree. Click on review and click on disagree to disagree their punishment. Do you understand? Because if they tell you that they suspended your account for the next 1 year, I did not say anything. Believe me, you will that your page will be suspended for the next 1 year. If they tell you that they took away your monetization for the next 2 years or 1 year, I don't click on disagree. You will not be aiming from Facebook. You must first of all go and delete those violated videos, and then the next thing is to click on review and click on disagree. That is to tell them that you are disagreeing with whatever punishment are given to you. Do you understand? Because if you don't click on disagree, they will assume that, okay, you are okay with the punishment. That is what it means. In some cases, if you keep quiet, you might never even end again. Now, before I tell you the third one, this third one that I want to tell you now will only work for those people with a verified page or a verified profile. Before applying this third one, even if your page or profile is not verified, please look for someone's whose page or profile is verified. You understand? Before you can apply this third method. This third method is to chat with Facebook Meta Pro team. Yes, to chat with them. Now, how do you chat with them? So many creators don't even know how to start or how to talk to them. And let me teach you how to write to these people. If you don't have this app, ChatGPT, go ahead and do what? And download it, because this is what we are going to be using. Because this is one of the tools that we are going to be using. This app will help you on so many things. Do you understand? Now, when you tell ChatGPT and it gives you this direction solution, you go ahead and do what? And write to Facebook. Wait for them to give you a response, either in your email, your phone number, or anywhere you give. If you write to these people and they did not give you a response, it means that you didn't do it the right way. Because if you write to Facebook, they must definitely give you a response. I wrote to them what they gave me, and this was one of the response they gave to me. Then I disagreed with this. I continued writing to them, and before they finally restored my monetization. So whenever Facebook restricts you on anything, don't keep mute. If you keep quiet, you might never earn on Facebook again. So you need to take action. Do you understand? The first action that you need to take is to do what? Go and look for that post that may give you violation and delete it, like I've said. Then the second one is for you to do what? Go and on that review, on that notification they gave to you, and click on disagree. Disagree with whatever punishment they are giving to you. And the next option is to write to them, to their pro team, to their pro management team. So many people say they have written to them and they have not been responding, they have not been getting good response. Now, if you want to get quick response from Facebook, ensure that your account is verified, because one thing is this, they tend to attend to a verified page is very fast. If your page is not verified, please do not even bother. The only thing you will do is to look for a verified account to speak with their customer care, because if your page is not verified, they will not attend to you. Because my page was verified, my profile was verified, that was one of the things that helped me to recover my monetization very fast. So if you want a good response from Facebook, ensure that you are using a verified page to speak with them. Yes, because what helped me is that my page was verified, my profile was verified, and that was one of the reasons, that was the thing that helps me to get back monetization very fast. Even if you don't have a verified account, whenever you have issue on Facebook, if you want to contact their customer care Meta team, please ensure you go and look for a verified account to speak with them. Because if you use an account that is not verified, fast, you will not, believe me, you will not get a good result. That is one of the secrets that most people don't know, and that is why I'm making this video, to enlighten you people on how you can get back your monetization or recommendation on Facebook. Do you understand? Now, if this video is helpful, go ahead and do what? And give this video a thumbs up. Also drop a meaningful comment on the comment section. And again, if you have any challenge on Facebook, or maybe monetization, demonetization, Facebook growth, or whatever on Facebook, and the person has been battling with it, please, you can do what? Share this video, or if you have any complaint, drop it on the comment section and I will attend to you immediately. Do you understand? Also share this video so that others will benefit from it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, okay? Because in this channel, I help content creators grow and monetize their pages very fast. All right? So to my next, please stay connected and bye.